নমস্কার সবাইকে, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ঠাকুমার ঝুলি from Madhurima's kitchen. Today's recipe is very interesting, chaat flavored noodles with crispy corn. So as you can see, the main ingredient is corn. I have taken 2 cups of corn. In that, this is 1 tablespoon total, so 1 teaspoon maida and 1 teaspoon corn flour, so total 1 tablespoon. This is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch I have put. If you want, you can put red chili powder, but hardly I use that. And then we'll put salt to taste. So this we will mix together very nicely so that it coats the corn, all the corn very well, and there is no powder left. The powder shouldn't be visible. It should be completely coated. Then you know it's ready for frying. Here is my oil getting ready for frying the corns to make crispy corn. So let's check if my oil is ready. It's not ready yet. So let's wait for few more seconds. Now I feel it's ready, and I will put my corn into the oil and fry it. It's basically deep frying. So I'll spread out the corn like this. It should be a wide container so that one corn doesn't stick to the other. So now I'll let it fry on its own nicely. I'll keep it like this. This is like a dhal, to protect myself, because corns, what happens, sometimes they get very naughty and they start sprouting and it can hurt you. So it's better that you take this dhal protection and stir occasionally. You don't have to even stir it much, just spread it out occasionally so that one doesn't stick to the other. So around 10 minutes of frying it will take, when it will become crispy, nice golden brown. My corns are ready. As you can see, I've switched off the flame, and I'll take a sieve and I'll take out the corn so that excess oil drains out. This is how I'll do it. Believe me, they are super crunchy. So this oil, excess oil, I'll keep it for later use. It's a nice oil with all flavors. And remaining oil, I'll only use this much, as you can see, for making the second part, which is the noodle. So my crispy corn is ready. Now I'll make the noodle. I've already boiled the noodle and kept it aside. So I'll put all the vegetables. First goes in garlic, and this entire cooking will be in high flame. So garlic goes in. This is beans. Beans goes in and stir, stir, stir. I want my beans to be, fried nicely so that it's a little crispy. carrots, I'll not overcook these vegetables like carrots, and then this is bell pepper. I don't want to overcook these vegetables. I want the crunchiness to be there. And remember, this is being cooked on high flame. I have already put onion. I will put towards the end. So after the carrot and the bell pepper, I had put 2 tablespoons of total green chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Then I had put the onions, and this is how I am stirring. It's done. I want the onions to be completely crunchy. And here goes the boiled noodles. I will not put soya sauce or barbecue sauce or any of those things, because this is chaat flavored noodle, right? So I don't want that flavor of soya sauce and other sauces. I want it to be tangy. I want it to be hot. I want it to be sweet. So I have put the green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Tomato sauce gives a nice flavor. This is sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, which will add to the sweetness. And for the tanginess, I will be adding something else at the end, towards the end. So keep watching. This is chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. So be very mindful about your salt, because chaat masala itself is quite salty, plus you have put all the sauces. So if you have seen, I have not put any extra salt in this. So chaat masala gives that tangy chatpata flavor, and there is more. Watch till the end for the tangy flavor. This is Ajinomoto. It's optional. I love the flavor, so I add it, but it's absolutely optional. If you want, you can add it. And my noodles done. It's done. I will not overcook it. All are mixed together. All flavors have got in, and it's done. So I will plate it now. So I've taken a bowl, taken the noodles, on top the crispy corn. This is so crispy, you can literally, hear the sound of that crispiness. It goes in. As such, with this crispy corn, you can make a separate chaat. That I'll show some other time. So to this, I will add these mungfali or peanuts. These are salted peanuts, and I'll mix. So this has all the flavor of hot chili sauce. It has the flavor of tomato sauce. Sugar I have put, so sweet. Chaat masala, so it's sweet, it's tangy, it's hot. So here goes. Finally you will put lemon juice. If you want, you can also put green chili on this. I did not, because my child will be eating it, so I did not. And also coriander. So this is done. It looks awesome, it tastes awesome. Jhal mishti tok. It has all the flavor. Tok jhal mishti. on a lazy evening or chatpata evening, you can have this recipe along with tea, along with some mocktails, along with some cocktails. This will be a perfect fit for all such evenings. Please try out this recipe. I'm sure you will definitely like this because I like it, my family likes it. Many of my friends who have tasted it, they like it, so I'm sure you love it. You love this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like it, please like it and share it with all your friends. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.